Hello, this is John of Art. For our Ilonggo session today, the word is TAMBO. What is TAMBO? TAMBO is a baby bamboo. The mature bamboo is kawayan, and the baby bamboo or the bamboo shoot is called TAMBO. TAMBO is an edible vegetable. So it's a delicacy here in the Ilonggos, and we cook it with coconut milk. We also pickle it, and we also saute. So the act of getting the tambo is panambo. No, panambo, no? Nga tawag nga ahagahambal sila nga TING-ASWANG. Kung may tambo. Sino makasabat? Who can answer that? According to popular belief that whenever there's tambo, it's TING-ASWANG or witching time. But of course, the tambo grows all the time, so you don't say that all the time is witching time. Oh, Pasit is very aggressive. There's another baby tambo over there, or a tambo. So tambo is the baby kawayan. Kawayan, right? We're doing a liziki. Anong tawag sila? Liziki. Oops, there it is. All right. Na. Bebe. Let me see. This is the tambo. Para. There's another one. And a bigger one. Mas dako.
Ang iya nga balay, bumig pilit na dayan. Ang ito itumit nila.
Okay.
Dasiga.
Ano na siya magkuha ng pasit sa tambo? Ang sa puno-puno, gid. So you dig the tambo at its very base.
Ang babaw lang. Kitag ano ng dalom.
Ha?
Ang dalom, ano na ginakuha lang na niya, ang mapatanaw ang humok. Gusto na muna, ang babaw lang ginakaon.
Ang babaw. Pero di ba ginapanitan pa na? So you skin the entire tambo and then all that's left is the core, which is very crunchy.
O naman di ay.
Pagsado ka.
Oh, alright, careful. Nag-juice. Oh, duga, gid. Ang duga is the juicy, sappy.
Ako bala! Mangita ka ba?
Ano ako kay Garaso ah.
Mangita ka pa yan.
May kwan pa na iya.
Meron na.
Yan.
O kanamit.
Kanamit. Agay.
Ang dalawa mo na kaya ho?
Walang tig-ano na.
Kuha ang panit.
Matubo pa man na.
Matubo? Hindi oh.
Hindi na magtubo yan.
Nakita mo to mga ginapang tambo o kakalaya.
Masuri lang kaya sa dalong niya.
Okay, that's it. There we go. So we have 2 tambo and we will still get more. Thanks for watching. This is John of Art, making the ordinary a little bit extra. See you in our next video. Bye for now.